Oh shit, this is hard. Come on. This is so much harder than I expected, honestly. Oh, fuck. Are you serious? Oh, I ruined it. Let me try. Okay. I got one. Oh, this is stressful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just got out of the shower not too long ago. Yeah, so I've just filmed a shower routine. I filmed my wash day routine. Now I'm probably gonna be doing my DIY at home lash extensions. Well, I'm gonna be trying to do it. I have never done them before by myself on my own, but I'm gonna give them a try. I did buy stuff from Shein a couple of weeks back for my lashes, but the utensils and tools I need, and I'm gonna be trying it out. So washing my face thoroughly, I'm cleaning it, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Anyways, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, so you get a notification every time I upload. More videos to come. I post weekly content and I'm pretty consistent, and I'm really trying to grow this channel, this family, and I really appreciate it if you guys actually watch me. I really appreciate it if you guys can support me and follow me. And yeah, we're going to be trying this out for the first time and seeing how I go. Hopefully I don't feel dramatically mess it up completely, but yeah, I'm going to be trying that out. And yeah, just keep on watching. So I'm washing my face first. I'll be using this. I probably won't clean my face and my eyes alone. Now I'm gonna be doing my eyelashes, getting a little bit of this, and just on that. I'm really cleaning this area. Fronto replenish oil. Spraying that all over my face, putting on my eyes. Patting it in. Moisturizing lotion on my face, and that's it for now. So guys, in my room. Okay guys, as you can see, I have gotten eyelash brushes. See, look how cute they are. They got little sparkles in the pink, brand new. I got these lash extensions. I'm not sure, but they come in different lengths, and these are clustered, so those look nice. And then I got these ones also. Can't really see them, but I think these are individual ones, so you gotta cluster them together. I've never tried these or any of these, so it might be a little bit more harder for me, but we'll see. So these and these, I got my duo lash glue. I'm just gonna try with that because that's what I have. And I got 3 pair of tweezers and a little thing I'm gonna put the glue, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be brushing out. Please excuse all like my facial hair, because I am going to be doing like a facial video and removing all that hair. My poor dog is so stressed out because of the thunderstorm. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to be brushing out my eyelashes. Somehow my eyelashes always get in my way. It's just so annoying. Oh, it's just so frustrating. Okay, anyways, ignore all the other hairs I have, and yeah. I don't know where my... Anyways, as you guys can see, my eyelashes are still pretty long naturally, but I do want to try them out and see how I feel, because I do want them a bit longer, even though I already have like naturally long eyelashes. I don't know if I should... So I'm going to be opening up the curved one. Give me a second. Okay, so I got my curved tweezer, and I got like the straight one. If I'm gonna, I still don't know if I'm gonna put it like under or in between. I've never done this, so I'm gonna see. I've got the glue. I've got the eyelash, brush. I've got my 2 lash extensions, clustered, and these are individual ones. These feel really, really nice and soft, like minks, I think they are. Yeah, different sizes. And this one's, I don't know what I should use, but let's go ahead and try to get started. And please excuse this stain. I just got food on it. Anyways, let's start. Let's just see. Oh, these are really, really sharp. I think I want to put them in between, but I'm scared to poke my eyeball out. I don't know. I'm just so scared. Honestly. If not, I think I should probably do them underneath. I feel like I could do that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh shit. Oh shit, this is hard. Okay. So I got one cluster of the number 11. I'm gonna put the glue. Anyways, I'm gonna try and put it here. I can't even see right now. Oh shit. I don't know if I'll be able to do this, honestly. I'm being honest. Did it fly? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna go underneath. I'm too scared, honestly. Okay, I got one. Okay, I literally have one on right now. Just at a corner. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. So that one on my other eye. Oh, this is stressful. Okay, so I'm grabbing it. I'm going to be in the glue a little bit, blowing on it and letting it get tacky. Now I'm going to do that to my other eye. Okay, applying this on my other eye. I can't even see, frick. I can't even see what I'm doing, honestly. Anyway, it's on there. And this eyelash that you see, it's literally one that was picked down. I don't know why. Next up, I'm going to be taking, the other ones are individual ones. Anyways, I'm going to be doing these more because I think I'm more comfortable with this. I'm going to be taking another number 11. Dipping in the glue a little bit. And opening up my lashes. And placing it. Come on. This is so much harder than I expected, honestly. Okay, let me try again. Let me try. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm just placing on top, honestly, because this isn't getting any easier. Okay, as you can see, got another one. Doing the same thing on the other side, getting the same one. So I'm getting a number 11. I'm still using a number 11. I think, to be honest, I might just end up using these, although these feel really, really nice, but they look too hard for me right now. Doing the same thing to the other eye. Yeah, definitely individual ones. I might add these at the end because I don't know. Okay. Next up, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do. Are these too long? We're gonna have to see. To be honest. Okay, getting a little bit of glue. Oh, I ruined it. So I just put a number 13, this one, on my outer corners, and then I put 2 of 11 on my 2 second outer corners. You can already tell the difference. They look really pretty. Okay, let's continue. So next up, I'm getting, I think I'm still gonna go with 11, to be honest. I think I'm not able to get the thing in it. I get like nerves. Okay, so I'm putting it pretty close. As you can see, getting the same one and putting it on the other eye. Okay, I'm getting number 9, placing it. It looks pretty though. It looks pretty. I really don't know. Because I'm going to keep putting small ones coming in. So number 9, I'm pretty sure. They look really pretty. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna keep putting number 9 or something because I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Fuck. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, a little bit of glue. I keep forgetting the blue. Did it fall? The other one? I swear I saw something fall. I think it probably did because this one. Oh, I'm gonna put another one in. It's okay, it's my first time anyways doing it. This is complicated, honestly. Oh, fuck. Are you serious? Sorry, I can't show you because I got my mirror here trying to look at that. Excuse me, I've just been putting it like, I think I'm just gonna leave them on this, to be honest. are still pretty nice. And yeah, that's how you like this first. Oh, it's a huge difference, and I really do like them. They are really pretty. It just brings more to my look. Any makeup on. They look really pretty. I'm really happy with them for being like my first time. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please click the bell to notify every time I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for my other videos coming pretty soon, and I post weekly. Yeah, and I post weekly content. I'm really trying to grow this family. I'm really grateful for everyone that has subscribed and watched my videos. And yeah, yeah, and if I can do them, you can do them. So they really just changed the look. Like, even if you have no makeup on, they look really nice and just add a little extra. And yeah, really happy and proud of myself. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.